tell you what, you mentioned that the last couple mornings that you've covered that it's been cold out there, and I think it's going to be a little chilly for whoever we have out there on those mornings as well this week as we have temperatures dropping back into the 40s. Let's dive in. A nice night over downtown Macon. Clear skies so far, 53 degrees. So since we don't have the cloud cover just yet, where temperatures are cooling off pretty efficiently. 53 right now. We'll go a little bit cooler by tomorrow morning. See, our satellite locally is all clear. We have a very active picture, though. As we look further off towards the west, a big cold front is sweeping in our direction. Right now, that is producing some severe weather. You see a tornado watch there in effect for Missouri and Arkansas. But by the time that cold front gets here tomorrow, it's going to be a much weaker version of itself. So here's how the forecast looks. Overnight, we have quiet weather coming our way. We could see some clouds or fog develop by morning, but no rainfall. By mid-morning on Sunday, that cold front is beginning to make its way into northwest Georgia, and you see there's a narrow line of showers trying to develop right along and ahead of that front, and we could see that push into our far north and northwest counties tomorrow before we see that broken line push on through the rest of central Georgia. So I don't expect a washout by any means tomorrow, but a 30% chance of showers as we go through the second half of the day. Then by Sunday evening and Sunday night, drier air is moving in behind that cold front and colder air as well. So by Monday, high temperatures won't even be making it out of the 60s. Now overnight tonight, the only weather hazard we're going to have to face is the possibility of some areas of patchy dense fog. So if you have to do some driving tomorrow morning, you might want to give yourself a few extra minutes to get to where you need to be just in case you run into any thick stuff out there tomorrow. And then once the sun comes up and the temperatures warm up, you see that fog just pretty much goes away. Here's your temperature trend over the next 5 days. So tomorrow, before the cold front gets here, it's still going to be pretty warm outside with a high of 79 degrees. We go down to 67 for a high temperature on Monday behind the first cold front. Then we have another cold front coming through late Tuesday. There won't be any rain with it, but there is a nice supply of cold air behind that one. We'll see lows in the 40s, high temperatures in the 60s come Wednesday. Now, can you believe this? It's November 14th, and we are still dealing with the tropics. This is Tropical Storm Iota. We've been tracking it really for the last 2 or 3 days now, and this is the 30th named storm of this hurricane season. Tonight, the system looks a lot better organized. You can see it really taking on the shape of a tropical storm instead of just a disorganized mess of showers and thunderstorms. Winds are sustained at 70 miles an hour, and this system is going to be moving towards Honduras and Nicaragua as a strong Category 3 hurricane. Winds are now expected to be sustained at 125 miles an hour as the storm comes ashore. And remember, that's the same area that got hit so hard by Eta, so those folks are going to have to deal with another one. The difference this time, central Georgia will not see any tropical effects. A 30% chance of showers for Sunday, then dry weather through the end of the 7-day forecast. Chilly by Wednesday and Thursday, lows in the upper 30s, highs in the 60s.